Loom is a great tool for asynchronous communication, but sometimes you need to permanently delete videos for privacy, compliance, or just to clean up your workspace. In this video, we'll cover the step-by-step process of permanent deletion, explain restore options, and discuss important privacy settings within Loom as of December 2025. We'll also explore why deleting Loom videos permanently can be important, touching on data security and reducing data exposure. To delete a Loom video, first log into your Loom account using either the web browser or the desktop app. Once logged in, navigate to your My Videos dashboard, where all your recorded videos are listed. Locate the specific video you want to delete from your list. Click the three-dot menu icon next to that video. From the menu options, select Delete. You'll see a confirmation prompt asking if you really want to delete the video. Click to confirm. Once confirmed, the video is immediately moved to the trash folder and is no longer visible in your main videos list. After deletion, your video isn't immediately gone. It sits in the trash folder for a specific retention period. For free Loom users, this period is typically 30 days. For paid plan users, this may extend to 60 days to comply with data retention laws like GDPR and CCPA. After this period, the video is automatically and permanently deleted from Loom's servers. Remember that after permanent deletion, backups are not user accessible. If you need to permanently delete videos immediately, you don't have to wait for the retention period to expire. You can manually empty the trash folder. This action permanently deletes all videos in the trash, making them completely unrecoverable. Be absolutely sure you want to do this, as this action cannot be undone. Accidentally deleted a video? No problem. As long as the video is still within the trash retention period of 30 or 60 days, you can restore it. Simply navigate to the trash folder, locate the video, and click the Restore button. The video will be instantly moved back to your My Videos dashboard. However, note that shared or embedded videos might still be accessible via their links unless sharing is revoked separately. Before deleting, it's important to understand Loom's privacy settings. By default, videos are set to private, meaning only you can view them. You also have options to set them to anyone with the link for semi-public access, workspace for team-only viewing, or public for open access. To revoke access to a video, edit its settings and disable sharing. This is a critical step if you've shared a video and later need to restrict access before deleting it. Even after permanently deleting a Loom video, shared links may persist through caching. This means the link could still work temporarily, even though the video is gone from Loom. Caching occurs in various places, including browsers, servers, and devices. This diagram shows different types of caches that might store video links or content. This diagram shows how caching works. When a client requests a page, servers check for cached copies first. If found, the cached version loads quickly, potentially keeping old links accessible. While the link will eventually lead to a dead page on Loom, copies of the video might still exist elsewhere. If someone downloaded the video or made a screen recording, those copies remain accessible beyond your control. Be cautious about what you share. Loom takes data security seriously, with multiple layers of protection. Your videos are encrypted both at rest on their servers and during transit when uploading or downloading. This ensures that even if intercepted, the data remains unreadable without proper decryption keys. Additionally, Loom maintains compliance with industry-leading standards. SOC 2 Type 2 certification verifies their security controls and processes, while ISO 27001 provides a framework for information security management systems. These certifications give you confidence that your data is handled with the highest standards. Looking to the future, Loom is exploring advanced technologies to further strengthen security. Blockchain integration could provide verifiable deletion logs, ensuring that video deletions are permanently recorded in an immutable ledger. This would give users greater confidence in the deletion process. Artificial intelligence may also play a role in automating privacy audits. AI systems could scan videos for sensitive content and automatically flag them for review or deletion, helping users maintain better control over their data without manual effort. To stay secure on Loom, Make it a habit to regularly review and update your privacy settings. Stay informed about new features by checking Loom's official documentation and help center. Remember that proactive management, understanding how deletion works, and regularly auditing your videos is essential for maintaining your data security.